Hi everyone, today we're going to draw Santa.
That's right, we're going to be drawing a really nice cute Santa because it's Christmas time and we're going to be drawing Santa with some presents. We're going to decorate our Santa with some presents, aren't we? Yeah. You ready to go?
Yeah.
What are we drawing with?
Our Sharpies.
We got our Sharpies,
paper.
our paper,
And our alcohol markers.
and our alcohol markers. And what lights?
Snap that.
My lights! You can do it, okay. Alright, you ready to draw?
Yeah.
Alright, grab your pens and your paper and let's draw Santa. Okay, what we're going to do is we're going to start with Santa's nose. We're going to draw a circle right here. Just a circle, that's all it is, a nice easy circle. So let's go ahead and let's draw a circle. Over there.
Here.
That's right. Very nice, Santa's nose. And let's draw two more circles the same size as the nose. And we're going to draw them on the left and the right. Follow his eyes.
Here.
Yep, yeah, that's right. Perfect. Try to make them a perfect circle as best as you can.
And do it the same size.
And the same size. And let's go and put some...
A penguin.
a penguin. Let's put some highlights in his eyes at the bottom and the top. And we can quickly
I can do
color
one
in
like another circle big inside the hole.
Yeah, you can.
Like this.
You can draw your eyes how you like to. Oh, very good.
Some people are a little good.
I like your eyes.
Thank you. So shiny.
So shiny, super shiny eyes on yours. And the next thing we're gonna draw is Santa's nice fluffy moustache. He's got a nice, like my moustache. He's got a much bigger moustache than me.
Everyone.
And everyone, that's right. Oh, I like your super shiny eyes there. All right, you ready to draw moustache?
Yeah.
Okay, we're gonna draw a curve from the bottom of his nose, kind of like how we draw like a cat's mouth. So we're gonna draw a curve like this. It's gonna go down and up and down and up like that.
It's slightly bigger than that.
Yeah, it's slightly bigger. So you go draw two little curves, kind of like the cat's mouth. That's right. Perfect.
And it's not the same. Cat has a triangle nose.
Yeah, a cat has a triangle nose. But then what we're going to do next is we're going to draw a little curve that comes down here on the side. Just a little one like that. Oh, so I'm going to make one a bit taller and a little one like that. Very good. Very good. And then we're going to go up and join on the side of his nose. Up and join on the side of his nose. Good job. And we're going to make our Santa smiling. So let's draw kind of like the letter U, like a ah, just under his moustache. Good job. We're doing great so far. Nice. All right. The next thing we're going to do is his big bushy beard. And we're going to draw another U, and it's going to be under his mouth, but we need to leave some space here. So we draw another one over here, kind of like another curve like this. So we can draw, yeah, about there. Try to keep it in the middle of his mouth. Let's see, very good. And then we're going to draw another one on the side.
Some puffs.
Some puffs, that's right. And another one on the other side. Very good. And then what we're going to do is actually, we're going to draw a line just next to his eyes. I forgot this step, but it's okay. We can do it now. We're going to draw a line over here. And a line over here.
Yeah.
Just right next to his eyes. A little bit more closer to his eye. About there. That's it. Very good. And can you draw one a little bit closer to that? That's right. Good job. Perfect. What we're going to do is we're going to carry on our puffs, but then we're going to join it to these lines, just on the side of these lines. Okay, so let's draw another puff. And we're starting to get a little bit closer, so to about there.
Yeah.
Yep. Like your reference point. Very good. And then on the other side, the same, a little bit lower. Try to keep, yeah, about there. You are drawing a really nice Santa beard. And we're going to draw one more, but we're going to draw it, you can draw a little reference point over here and another one there. So we're going to join this one to our reference point. I'm going to do one of mine too. And we're going to draw this nice puff to there. So it's going to go like this. Very good. Good job. Can you do the other one? Very good. You've done a great Santa face. Okay, and now from here, we're going to join this just under our moustache. So what should I do? I'm going to go down just under my moustache and on the other side too. And we got Santa's big fluffy beard. His nose and his moustache and his eyes. We're doing great.
Like he has a mask.
Yeah. And now what we're going to do is we're going to draw Santa's hat. And we're going to draw a curved line that goes just across his head. Just like that. So you can go up a little bit. It's all right. We can draw the curve first, then you can join the lines up to it if you want. Great curve. Join those lines up. Amazing. You are amazing today. Look, here you go. All right, and then we're going to draw kind of like the letter C, like a K for cat. And it's going to go like that. Perfect. And can you do the opposite one on the other side? Good job. And then let's curve
Like
these
they're
two.
fighting.
Like they're fighting. Let's curve these two and join them. Excellent work.
Like a bakery.
Like a bakery hat. We're going to draw
Artist.
Santa hat. Or artist. Okay, let's draw our Santa. We're going to now draw Santa's bubble hat. And it's got a little round bubble. So we're going to just draw a circle. I'm going to draw a circle over here. Just like that. And that's his little bubble for his hat. Yep, a little bit more inside. Yeah, over there. Good job. I like how you covered over that little point there. Well done. High five for you. Good job. Okay, now we're going to join to that bubble hat. So we're going to do a curve that goes up and down and join in the middle there. Yeah. Whoops. You drew too fast. That's okay. You can come behind. You can come behind and up. That's all right. We'll fix that. So, yeah. Perfect. And then can you draw one more coming up like that? Yeah. Good job.
Because
excellent. That's a good fix. Well done.
It's too windy and
It's
it's
too, it's too windy.
swinging off
Yeah. Where does Santa live?
in Poland.
In the Poland. He lives in the North Pole. Very windy there. So I think your drawing is very accurate. Good job. Okay. Next thing we're going to do is we're going to draw his big tummy. So we're going to start over here. We're going to draw a line that comes out. Just a small curve that comes out here. Okay, so it looks like this. Like that. Yep.
That's okay.
No, we're going to stop out. He's got a big tummy. So, yeah, we can stop there. Good job. And then can we do the same on the other side? So I'm going to give myself a little reference point. Yep.
Here.
A little bit more out. Yeah, there. We can join it with another curve, just like you did the first one. Yep. Whoa, big one. Let's go, big tummy. Good job. All right, next thing we're going to do is we're going to draw a square. And this is for, actually, what we should do first is draw a short little line that comes down like that. Yeah, and that's for his coat. That's where his coat joins. Draw the line. Nice. And then we're going to draw a rectangle just at the bottom of that line. And it's going to be in the middle. A little bit more right about there. Good job. And then we're going to draw down on the sides.
His belt.
His belt buckle. That's what we're drawing. Good job. And then let's go and draw one more rectangle inside. Good job. You're doing great. And we can draw a big button. Amazing. And then let's draw this line down a bit more. Continue it down. That's it. And then we draw another button. Good job. And then what we can do is we're going to join. Make that a bit longer. Yours is fine. What we're going to do is we're going to join this with a big curve. Okay. So I'm going to start here. I'm going to go around and then flat. Yeah, so you can draw that and around to here. Yeah, that line to the line. You're going to join it to this line here.
Little bit of curve.
That's right. And then can you draw on the other side?
The same.
The same. Good job. I like it. Great stuff. All right, and then what we're going to do is draw his belt. So his belt comes around and joins to the belt buckle. from there, and you draw the little curve, and that's right, and draw the top line too, the top one of his belt buckle, his belt line. Good job. And then on the other side we just draw the same ones. Very good. And that's his coat. Let's add one more fluffy bit like his hat. We're going to draw a K again for cat on each side. Yep. And then let's draw another line to join these two together. And you want to keep it the same distance as the line above it. Very good. I like it. Great stuff. And now we're going to draw his legs. His legs are super easy. So we're going to follow this line down here. We're going to follow it down underneath, just like this. Just a short one, a little bit up. Yeah, about there. Good job. And then we're going to draw a line that comes inside. So from here to about there. And then we're going to draw the same one on the other side. Good job. And this is your center pants. We're going to draw another curve that goes to there and then back up again. Good job. I like it. And another K for cat. And this is his fluffy bits of his pants. We can draw a line in the middle there. Good job. And you can draw one more line. Nice. And now what are we drawing?
His boots.
His boots. His big black boots. And we can draw another line like that. So down a little bit. There you go. And then we're going to draw a line inside. Just a short one. Just a really short little one. Good job. Good job. Okay. And then we're just going to draw a line that comes out. And up this side. See what you got there. Very good. And then we're going to draw a round part for his big black boots, touching the line above. Good job. And now what's he missing?
His hands.
His hands, that's it. So we're going to draw a little curve, not too long, just a short one like that. Yeah, so from about here to there. That's right. Yeah, and put a little curve in it. Yeah. And then we're going to draw the same one. Very good. And then we're going to draw a line across like this. And then we're going to draw another K at the end. He's got lots of fluffy bits. We're going to have a lot of fluffy things. That's his cuff. Very good. I like it. And then can you draw a circle and then stop just above where his thumb's going to be? Good. And then we can just draw another smaller one. Come in. Great job. Now he's waving. Yours looks like he's giving you a thumbs up. He's saying you've been very good. You're going to get lots of presents. And then we're going to draw a curve that comes out like this. This one's hanging down. So you can draw one maybe here. Just a little one there. Very good. And then let's put another curve there. That's where his fluffy cuff again. And a K. Going backwards. And then back in. And then a line that goes like that, and that's his hand. Good job. Well, Summer, you have done an amazing Santa, and I think we are ready for our colouring.
Yeah.
Yeah, what do you think? We're going to decorate our Santa with some presents behind him while we do our colouring. High five, that was an awesome drawing. Good job. I'm sure your Santas are coming along really well. Can you do my lights? We're going to fast forward through our colouring. So if you want to catch up to us, you can always pause the video, and we'll be using our alcohol markers, but you can always colour with whatever you like. You ready to go?
Yeah.
Okay, let's go. Well, Summer, you have done an amazing Santa. I'm so impressed, and your coloring is so good. We've been practicing so much and it's looking amazing now. What do you think of mine?
Yeah.
Yeah? Are you excited to see Santa too? Yeah, me too.
I'm going to see Santa when he rings my Mickey Mouse bell.
Mickey Mouse bell. Oh, well, that's going to be fun. I'm sure your Santas turn out just as cute. I hope you enjoyed the video, and don't forget, if you liked our drawings, give us a thumbs up, and we'll see you on the next time.
Bye.
Yeah.